Hey you guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're going to be talking all about skincare, and I think a lot of people really underestimate how important skincare is. You can put on as much makeup as you want. If your skin's not on point, your makeup's not gonna look good. Like, skincare is first and foremost. It will always be first and foremost to get your makeup to look good. You just have to take care of your skin. So today, I just really want to get really down and dirty and raw with you guys. I did not put on any makeup for this video because I really just want to talk all about skincare. So only thing I literally have on is a little bit of gloss, of course my moisturizers, eye cream, and mascara. So just so you guys know, I have quite a few products here. I have face and body, and I hope I can get through them all, but I'm gonna try to get through as many as possible without making this video super duper long. So let's go ahead and let's get to our first product. So the very first product I'm going to be talking about is this green tea scrub. This came from Teami. They actually sent me this and I was like, yo, I'm all for scrubs. I have really oily skin, I have pores, like I am always down for a good scrub. And this is supposed to hydrate, exfoliate, and moisturize. You guys, no lie whatsoever, when I say it leaves your face feeling like a baby's bottom, like it feels so good, it feels so hydrated, your skin just feels so refreshed. I love using this when I have like a good workout and I've sweated and I'm like all salty. I love using this for my face. Now, a couple of extra benefits about the green tea facial scrub is that it has a lot of things that it really helps with. It helps with, of course, exfoliating, hydrating, and moisturizing, but it also helps with removing your makeup, any debris on your skin. It also helps with cellulite reduction and also dark spot reduction. Now, another great aspect about this also, this is 75% organic, so you will not have to worry about a lot of fillers in this product. If you guys are interested in picking up the Teami green tea facial scrub, please feel free to use my code. I will have it right here for you guys. You guys can get coins off. Who doesn't love a great discount? So I will have all that info listed in my description box as well if you guys would love to pick up this mask. So my next product here is something that I have talked about on my channel before, you guys. This is the Cochise Skin Lightening Soap. This is another great product for helping with exfoliating, and it also helps with lightening dark spots. I've been using this for almost 3 years, and the thing about this, it is really acidic, so if you leave it on for too long it can burn your skin. But if you're looking for a product that is cost effective and can give you results, this is really great. You can get about 3 full bars. This is only a half a bar. You guys can get 3 full bars for about $10 to $12 depending if you buy it from Amazon or eBay. So yeah, the Cochise soap, it has its positive and its negatives. Yes, it does give you results, but 2, it will burn your skin if you leave it on for too long. So you have to be very, very cautious when you're using the Cochise soap. So if you guys are looking for a cheap alternative, this is something that I would highly recommend. Another dark spot corrector I do want to talk about, this one is by Pathology, and this one is a dark spot corrector and is a sunscreen gel, SPF of 30. Now I like to use this as well. I tend to really break out like on my cheek areas and in my middle of my forehead. I had a breakout where it left dark spots, and this has really been helping. Now this is a little bit more on the expensive side. You only get 20 milliliters, which is not even a full fluid ounce. It's 0.7 of a fluid ounce. And you really don't need a lot of product with this. It's a very small amount that you need, and it just spreads around like a dream. So even though this is on the more pricier side, if you guys would like something that is more tangible in store, you can go and try it out, get a sample. Even though I feel like samples do you no justice, I would say with this one you have to give yourself a lot more time. With the Cochise soap, you get more of instantaneous results with that one. I hate to use that word, but that's my best way to describe the Cochise soap. You will start to see a difference in your skin with the Cochise soap within like a week or two, as opposed to this guy, it may take you 4 to 6 weeks to actually start seeing results. Now, this is, to me, this product is one of my holy grails. Like, you guys, if you don't have this, like, stop this video and head over to your nearest Sephora, Ulta, or whatever and go pick this up. This is the Mario Badescu drying lotion. This helps speed up the time that your pimples are active on your face. Basically, how long you have a breakout. And this helps actually dry it out. And the pink formula is usually at the bottom, then the clear formula is on top. You literally just stick a Q-tip in and you dot it onto the breakout and you let it dry. You can even sleep with it on overnight as well to really help dry out your pimples. But like I said, you guys, this is a key product. Something like this can only run you about, I don't know, like $13, and it will last you forever. Okay, so this next product is a product I've talked about on my channel as well, and I still use it. It is the Vanish PFP ChromaBrite. This is great for helping reduce ingrown hairs. It helps with brightening your skin. This all around is a good product. Now, I know when I did a full video talking about the PFP ChromaBrite and other products that I use that really help with reduction in ingrown hairs, a lot of people still had like additional questions, even though I went over that video myself and made sure I answered everything. But this is the best way to use it, and this is the last time I'm gonna say this. This is the best way to use it. When you use this day and night, okay? And you want to use it on dry skin, not damp skin, not skin that's fresh out the shower. You want your skin to be completely dry, because you know what? Your pores are closed. This will burn if you use it on damp skin. If you use it on wet skin, I promise you, it will burn and you will have bad results. That's the best way to put it, okay? The best way to put it. This product is really great when you use it correctly, especially for like your bikini line as well, because I know a lot of girls want to get summer ready and you want to get your bikini line under control like myself. This is really great for that. I've been having excellent results since I started using it. So if you guys are really hesitant about investing in this, don't be. Definitely use it. You'll have the best results for ingrown hairs that you've ever had. Okay, so while we are talking about the bikini line, I want to introduce to you guys what I have been using lately to, like I said, get my bikini line summer ready. So this is the Intimate Area Lightening Gel. It is a 10% multi-active brightening concentrate infused with white peptide and mulberry extract. So one thing I always want to advise women that are trying to improve their bikini line area is you have to give yourself some time. If you have any type of vacation coming up that you know that you're going to be in a swimsuit, give yourself at least 60 to 90 days to improve your bikini line area. I promise you, 60 to 90 days will give you some type of result. It will not probably be 100% clear, but you will see a reduction in the ingrown hairs and the tone of your private area. Now for me, I have been using this for 2 weeks, day and night, and I actually use these products interchangeably. And I know you guys may be wondering like, whoa, is that way too much? But the thing is, I use them interchangeably. Both of these definitely help with brightening my skin, but this one will help with the ingrown hairs and brightening, and this one just helps with brightening. So when I'm using these together, I'm actually kind of getting a double whammy. Now, what I do not advise is that you use these together like in one day. Like you put the PFP ChromaBrite on and then you go right behind and put this on. I would absolutely not advise that. Again, give yourself that time to let the product work. I don't want to hear you down in my comments talking about I bought the product a day ago and I don't see no results. Well, of course you don't. Or a week ago, or even 2 weeks ago. Like, I don't want to hear that, okay? You guys have to pace your own self and just know that everybody's body is different and everybody reacts different to products, okay? So everybody's not going to have the same results. Everybody's not going to experience it all at once. I just go based off what happens to me, and I put it out there to you guys. All right, so next I'm going to talk about another favorite Mario Badescu product of mine. This is the Mario Badescu Glycolic Acid Toner. Glycolic acid actually helps with not only toning the skin and getting rid of debris, actually helps with, of course, controlling dark spots as well. Anything with glycolic acids and all of those type of kojic acids and this acid and that acid, like, they're gonna really help with evening your skin tone. And when, I don't know what people think toners mean, like a toner is supposed to even your skin. So when you're at home and you're watching this video and you're thinking I'm out here just bleaching myself, no. A toner itself, because I know you probably have one, it helps with evening your skin tone. So I really love this one as well. So I've had a lot of success with the glycolic acid toner. It really helps exfoliating, keep my skin clear. Also helps when managing breakouts as well. I just sweep a little bit of the glycolic toner over there because glycolic toner is going to dry out the breakout as well. All right, so I do want to mention this. This is like a hidden gem to me. As you can see, this one is almost empty, practically is. This is the Target brand Up and Up oil-free acne wash pink grapefruit. This has salicylic acid in it that basically helps with controlling acne. Now, if you can't afford to get like super expensive like acne treatments or even mid-grade like acne treatments, get a facial wash that has salicylic acid in it. It will definitely help with calming down your acne, keeping it at bay, or treating your acne. Personally, I use scrubs just about every day, and you're not supposed to, but I do. That's just a personal thing. And I really just love how it leaves my skin. I always put moisturizers back on so I don't go to sleep with my skin feeling super tight and super dry, because you just don't want to do that. Like I said, it's really cheap, but it will actually help target your concerns and actually keep them at bay and treat them. Now, this next product is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen SPF 100. Okay, so this is more important than anything I've even mentioned. This is top priority. You should wear sunscreen all year round. There should never be a time where you don't wear sunscreen. Sunscreen protects your skin against, of course, the sun. It keeps you from getting sunspots. It keeps your skin from burning and all that terrible things that can happen. And also, it's really great for when you are toning your skin. Okay, because the sun can actually cause your skin to darken and actually cause the pigmentation where you're trying to get rid of the pigmentation to be even worse. So I truly advise people to use sunscreen, especially when you are trying to even your skin tone. Okay, so I'm just going to mention these products together. This is my La Prairie Anti-Aging Eye and Lip Contour, and then this is my La Mer Moisturizing Gel Cream. These are my two little high-end products. This is my second jar of the La Mer Moisturizing Gel Cream. I think when I go back, I'm going to actually get the soft cream instead, because I don't know, I like the soft cream. It's the original, so I love it. But if you have oily skin, then you'll love the La Mer Moisturizing Gel. It's really like fluffy. It has a very fluffy texture to it, and it literally just melts into your skin. I really love this for when I am doing my treatments and my skin feels super stripped. I love using this to put it on top. It just makes my skin feel rejuvenated and hydrated. And then, like I said, this is my La Prairie Eye and Lip Contour Cream. This is great. Let me tell you something. Once you hit your 20s, you need to get an eye cream. Now, we all naturally have these little lines that come under our eyes. This really helps for smoothing those out, and this also really helps with your laugh lines as well. So this product is a little bit more concentrated, but I think it gives you excellent results, and it keeps your under eyes super hydrated, just like mine. Like I said, I have nothing but moisturizer and eye creams and all that. So this is really great for that. And then my last product I'm going to mention, this is the Josie Maran 100% argan oil, and this is an organic moisturizing oil. I believe you want to always have at least one oil, at least. Oils are really in its purest form, especially the Josie Maran. Like, this is in its purest form. So I'm going to get all of those nutrients, and I'm going to get all of those benefits, and it's gonna sink right into my skin. Oils are the very first thing you want to put on because, for one, they're the thinnest, so they're gonna seep right into your skin. Unlike moisturizers and eye creams, they're a little bit thicker, so they tend to sit on top. But with this, it makes all the difference. Like I said, when you are evening your skin tone, you want to do moisturizing. You do not want your skin to be dry and suffer with premature aging. So this is really awesome. Of course, it just comes with a little dropper, and you just drop a few drops into your hand and you massage it into your face. Like the Josie Maran, you don't have to get the Josie Maran one. You can always go to like Whole Foods or, I don't know, like Trader Joe's, where they have the natural oils, and pick up one of those. But I personally just like the Josie Maran Pure Argan Oil one. Also, argan oil is really great for your hair, so if you want to take a few droplets and put it into your hair, that's really great as well, because I think it's naturally organic, so you're going to get all of the benefits of a pure oil. All right, you guys, so that is it for all of the skincare I want to talk about currently with you guys. If you guys have any questions about anything that I mentioned, please feel free to ask in the comments below. And if it's a good question, I know I didn't answer it, I will definitely answer for you guys. But what I do want you guys to do, I want you to go ahead and follow me on all my social media networks, which will be listed in the description box below for you guys. And I also want you to subscribe, so when I upload videos, you will be the first to know, so you can be here with me and seeing what the heck I'm talking about. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I can't wait to see you guys on my next video. Peace.